My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world, and welcome to Natalie's Playbox, where today I'm going to unbox my Playbox. That was so corny. I realized that. I apologize. I worked the past 2 nights. I got off work around 7:30 and it's 9 a.m. But I'm like, I want to see what I got for my Sephora play. So this is for the month of March. I don't remember if I said that or not. Yeah, real quick before I get into it, there is going to be a giveaway at the end of the video. I was gonna wait until I reached 600 subscribers, but I'm almost there. I only need like 6 more. I'm just gonna do it. All right, so it's like St. Patty's Day themed. Kick up the color, and then it's also spring themed. So let's see what I got. So the first product is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation in R230. A lightweight medium coverage foundation that hydrates skin for an even complexion. It is a good foundation. I really do like it. I just can't tell you how many times I have received this, especially from Sephora Play. Like, do you guys have no other foundations you can send? This is, you know, a really nice foundation. And it's just not like my favorite. So, okay, well, moving on. The next product is this Sephora Collection Lashcraft Big Volume Mascara. A full volume mascara that coats lashes in a saturated black shade. This is actually a really good mascara. I love the brush. It's very similar to the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir brush, but like, I just got this not too long ago from Sephora. So I will just add this to the giveaway. You guys are making out like bandits. The next product is this Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. Invisible, weightless, scentless sunscreen that provides broad spectrum SPF 40 protection. I despise getting sunscreens in subscription boxes. And that is because I'm hardly ever in the sun, if you didn't notice. But even like if I do purposely go out in the sun, I'll burn, and then I just go back to being the exact same color. I don't tan. And I would need a lot more than SPF 40. I need like SPF 100. I don't think I've ever used like a sunscreen sample that I've received. So this will also be added to the giveaway. This is Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30. An all-in-one treatment that tones down redness and helps protect skin from environmental stressors. So I actually like just got a sample of this. It came with a serum and some of this, and I tried it one day because I was like really red. I think it was like a serum I was trying. It made my skin like really red and patchy, and it was like going down my neck and everything. And I was like, oh, let me try that sample that's, you know, supposed to cover redness. Oh my God. It's amazing. Amazing. It covered all the redness and made my skin tone look completely even. So I put it on after my moisturizer, but before my foundation. And I swear, so it starts out green, but then it turns into skin color. So let me You see how it like covered up any redness and compared to this side of my hand now? It is so awesome. Next product is this Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo, an oil absorbing spray that instantly refreshes hair and adds volume. I have tried this before and I really do like it. Let me see if it has a smell. I don't remember. It does have like a light, like fresh smell, but I do like this dry shampoo. It doesn't leave like any white residue in your hair. I really like it. All right, so my bonus is Hit the Right Mason Margiela Replica by the Fireplace. The bottled version of a cozy, toasty night in by the fire with warm and sweet gourmand notes. Warm and spicy, top note clove oil, middle note chestnut accord, base note vanilla accord. I don't know if this is my vibe. I'm kind of scared. Oh! Why? It does. It smells like burning wood. Why would anyone want to smell like burning wood? I just don't understand it. Okay, so if I didn't have the foundation and the mascara, this would be a good box. I do use the sunscreen like if I do go to the beach, but that's like very rarely. But I actually am going on a cruise, so I probably do need some sunscreen. But I'm sure I'll get some in a box, especially since the summer's coming up. I mean, it's not the best box I've ever gotten from them, but it's okay. So now let's get into the good stuff, the giveaway. And then there's so much here, it's not even funny. Living Proof, Winky Lux highlighter, Wish primer, mini Laura Mercier glow powder, a Morphe lip crayon, got some eyeshadow, a Marc Jacobs lip crayon, and this is so gorgeous too. It's in Plum and Get It. Let me just show you. And this formula is the bomb. Oh my god, it is so amazing. It's so creamy, but like so pigmented and long wearing. I have a Ciate glitter flip, a activated charcoal black mask, this Buxom mascara. This mascara is also like awesome. It's one of my favorites. Hold on. All right, we got some Philosophy Raspberry Sorbet body wash. We have this Fresh Rose face mask. This Milk Blur Stick. This Ofra eyeshadow. I have a Trust Fund Beauty nail polish. A Bumble and Bumble grooming cream. A Smashbox Photo Finish primer. This Andalou styling cream. This No. 4 clarifying shampoo. A mini Formula X nail polish. This hydrating oil serum. This Model Co metallic eyeshadow trio. This Cover FX mattifying primer. This Meech and Mia pressed pigment in caramel. This Starlooks lip gloss. Okay, this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in Perversion. And this Momonde Flower Lab Essence Mask in Pomegranate. Alright guys, so to enter the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel and comment down below letting me know anything you like about yourself, and then yeah, that's it. Tell me something about yourself or something you like about yourself. If you would like additional entries, you can also follow me at Instagram and Snapchat. I put my Instagram handle here and also my Snapchat. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, especially if you want to enter the giveaway. And I just want to say that I am so grateful for you all, and there's a lot of you that have helped me through a lot, and I'm glad that I've made friends on my journey. Not many, because I'm not the person that has many friends. I'm an introvert, so I have, you know, a small amount of friendships, but my friends are like my family to me. Yeah. Alright guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.